mindful of it. It's kind of Mr. Pregnant was primarily created to materialize the abstract concepts I had. So I wanted to give a visual. If I wanted to, let's say, if I wanted to illustrate visuals, I'd go walk, do a lot of putting thoughts and idea into perspective, self-reflection.
Okay, this is a good time of year for that.
And this is my fourth time, or third time on the show? Well, technically fourth time on Drumebox. Well, thank you to the co-founder, Mr. Nolan Silverstein. My apology. Yeah. Also Adam for booking me again for the time. Thank you, I appreciate that.
Yeah, of course.
Thank you for
very
having
persistent.
me. Huh?
Very persistent. I knew that we had a cancellation last minute, and before I'd even finished asking you would agree to be on the show.
Absolutely.
So you're a dependable guest.
Thank you.
I admire